Let's imagine you've been served with divorce papers, or maybe you just bonded out of jail, or you've decided to sue your contractor. Now what? I'm lawyer Alexandria Serra, this is Lawyer Talk Thursday, and you're about to find out. When you get into legal trouble, you have a few options. Go it alone, hire a professional, or use something like LegalZoom. I'm going to give you the top 3 tips for handling your case. 1. Use a specialist. If you decide to use a professional, your first step is to identify the type of lawyer you need and search for a specialist. Not all lawyers are created equal. Just like with doctors, you don't want a dermatologist doing your open heart surgery. We spend hundreds of hours in our practice area for a reason, to serve clients better. 2. Go it alone only if you have the time and knowledge to do it yourself. There are plenty of simple things you can do yourself, but unless you're willing to take the time to learn, go to court, plead your case, and negotiate with the other party, don't do it yourself. Do you know how to file an answer to a countersuit? How about picking a jury? What happens if you blow a deadline? What are the deadlines? Document templates won't comfort you when you're representing yourself in court. 3. Don't get suckered into scams. Seen those signs around town for a $99 divorce? Well, buyer beware, because you're either a lawyer or you're not. Lawyers take classes every year. We've spent 7 years in higher education and have a law license. All that work just to give you legal advice. Now, your jailhouse lawyers, TIA or BFF, are not qualified to give you advice, and neither is a paralegal. Someone who isn't a lawyer can't give legal advice or offer opinions about the law or your case. They also can't charge for legal services. It's illegal. Bottom line, pick an attorney that meshes with your vibe. Set clear expectations up front, and don't be afraid to tell them what you want. If they're any good, they'll tell you if your goals are realistic.